Hello everyone, and welcome back to Youthful Glow. Today, we're exploring the best foods that either provide collagen or help your body produce more of it. Collagen is essential for youthful skin, healthy joints, and bones. But as we age, our body's collagen production naturally declines. The good news is, we can support our collagen production through the foods we eat. So, if you're ready to nourish your skin from the inside out, keep watching. Kicking off our list is a food we often associate with fall, but trust me, it deserves a spot on your plate year-round. Pumpkin seeds. These little green gems are nutritional powerhouses packed with essential minerals like zinc. Now, why is zinc so important for collagen? Well, think of zinc as a vital component in the machinery that builds collagen in our bodies. Without enough zinc, our bodies simply can't produce collagen efficiently, leading to weaker bones, slower wound healing, and yes, even wrinkles. So next time you carve a pumpkin, don't discard those seeds. Roast them up for a tasty and collagen-boosting snack. Next up, we're shining the spotlight on a vibrant veggie, bell peppers. These colorful peppers are bursting with flavor and one crucial nutrient for collagen, vitamin C. Vitamin C is like the glue that holds collagen fibers together, making them strong and resilient. It's an essential player in the formation of collagen, and without enough of it, our bodies produce weaker collagen that's prone to damage. And guess what? Bell peppers are loaded with it. Red bell peppers in particular are vitamin C superstars. So, toss them in your salads, stir-fries, or enjoy them as a crunchy snack to keep your collagen in tip-top shape. Hey, quick reminder, if you're enjoying the video, please like and subscribe to Youthful Glow. It means the world to us. Also, let us know in the comments. What's your favorite superfood that boosts collagen? And have you seen noticeable results? Let's talk about everyone's favorite creamy green fruit. Avocado. Yes, avocado is technically a fruit and a powerful ally in the fight for youthful skin. Avocados are brimming with healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to support collagen production and protect existing collagen from breaking down. But that's not all. They're also a good source of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that helps shield our skin from damage caused by free radicals, those pesky molecules that contribute to premature aging. Let's explore the power of soy for collagen. Soy products like tofu, tempeh, and edamame are rich in genistein. Genistein mimics estrogen, which helps maintain collagen. As we age, estrogen declines, but genistein can help. It promotes collagen synthesis and slows breakdown. Let's talk about nuts, our next collagen hero. Almonds, walnuts, cashews. These crunchy treats are packed with nutrients that benefit your skin. Omega-3 fatty acids are key players here. Walnuts are excellent sources of these healthy fats. Incorporate nuts into your diet to combat inflammation and protect collagen. Now, let's talk about a group of foods that should be staples in everyone's diet. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, collard greens, you name it. These nutritional powerhouses are bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that do wonders for our overall health, including collagen production. First off, leafy greens are like nature's multivitamin when it comes to collagen support. They're an excellent source of vitamin C, which, as we've already discussed, is crucial for collagen synthesis. But here's another secret weapon leafy greens bring to the table: chlorophyll. This pigment gives plants their vibrant green color and also possesses potent antioxidant properties. Let's move on to another delicious contender in the world of collagen-boosting foods, mango. Don't let its sweetness fool you. This tropical fruit packs a serious punch when it comes to promoting healthy, youthful skin. We're talking about the juicy, vibrant mango. This tropical wonder is chock full of nutrients that can make a big difference in your collagen levels. One of its secret weapons? You guessed it, vitamin C. Just like citrus fruits, mangoes are abundant in this essential vitamin, which helps combat inflammation, a major culprit in collagen breakdown. Let's talk about mushrooms, those fascinating fungi that are popping up everywhere these days. Mushrooms are nutritional powerhouses supporting collagen production. Mushrooms and collagen? What's the connection? It comes down to key nutrients: zinc and vitamin D. Zinc is directly involved in collagen synthesis, keeping our skin firm and youthful. Vitamin D, on the other hand, plays a vital role in skin cell growth and repair, supporting overall skin health and helping the body produce collagen more efficiently. Now, let's dive into the ocean and explore the collagen-boosting benefits of algae. I know it might not sound like the most appetizing food group, but trust me on this one. Algae, particularly types like spirulina and chlorella, are nutritional powerhouses with some impressive skin-boosting benefits. One of the key reasons algae can benefit your skin is their high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids. We've talked about the anti-inflammatory power of omega-3s, which can help protect your collagen from damage and keep your skin looking youthful. But that's not all. Algae are also a rich source of antioxidants, those powerful compounds that fight off free radicals. Finally, let's wrap up our list with a true collagen superhero, spirulina. This blue-green algae packs an incredible nutritional punch, making it a popular superfood among health enthusiasts, and for good reason. Spirulina is a treasure trove of amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein, including collagen. It provides all 9 essential amino acids our bodies can't produce on their own, making it a complete protein source. But what sets spirulina apart regarding collagen is its impressive antioxidant capacity. Spirulina is bursting with antioxidants, including phycocyanin, a potent antioxidant that gives spirulina its distinctive blue-green hue. There you have it, folks. 10 surprising foods that can help supercharge your collagen production. From pumpkin seeds to spirulina, these nutritional powerhouses support your body's collagen production. Remember, collagen is key to youthful skin, healthy hair, nails, and strong joints. So incorporate these foods into your diet and see the difference. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you next time.